The Great Teamwork Challenge. In the colorful town of Harmony Valley, where houses were painted in rainbow colors and gardens grew smiles instead of just flowers, lived four very different friends: Marco the mathematical mouse, Aria the artistic ant, Leo the logical lizard, and Bella the brave butterfly. One morning, the friends woke to find a mysterious message floating in the town square: the rainbow bridge is fading. Only by working together can you save the magic that connects our town to the world of imagination. The Rainbow Bridge was the town's most treasured landmark. It wasn't just any bridge, it was made of pure imagination and allowed the townspeople to visit their dreams every night. Without it, the town would lose its special magic. "We need to solve this together," said Marco, pulling out his notebook full of calculations. "But how?" asked Aria, already sketching ideas in her colorful journal. Leo flicked his tail thoughtfully. "Let's break down the problem." Bella fluttered her wings excitedly. "And I'll scout ahead." Each friend had their own way of approaching the challenge. Marco could calculate exactly how much magic the bridge was losing. Aria could see the patterns in the fading colors. Leo could analyze why it was happening. And Bella could fly up close to inspect the damage. But working separately wasn't enough. When Marco tried to calculate a solution, his numbers couldn't capture the bridge's beauty. When Aria tried to paint it back to life, her colors wouldn't stick. When Leo tried to logic it out, the magic only faded faster. And when Bella tried to chase down the escaping colors, they slipped right through her wings. "We're doing this wrong," Leo realized. "We're not listening to each other." The friends gathered together and shared what they had learned. Marco's calculations showed where the bridge was weakest. Aria's artistic eye spotted how the colors flowed together. Leo's logical mind saw the pattern in the fading. And Bella's brave exploration revealed where the magic was strongest. "What if we combine our skills?" suggested Bella. Working together, they created something amazing. Marco calculated the exact amount of each color needed. Aria mixed the perfect shades. Leo developed a logical plan for applying them. And Bella coordinated their efforts from above. As they worked, something magical happened. The bridge began to glow brighter than ever before. The colors weren't just returning, they were dancing together in new and beautiful ways. The math and art and logic and bravery all blended into something greater than any one of them could have created alone. The townspeople gathered to watch in wonder as the Rainbow Bridge was transformed. It now shimmered with not just color, but with the spirit of friendship and cooperation that had saved it. "You see," said a wise old owl who had been watching from a nearby tree, "the greatest magic of all isn't in being the best at something. It's in bringing our different gifts together." From that day forward, whenever anyone in Harmony Valley faced a challenge, they remembered the story of the Rainbow Bridge and how four very different friends discovered that teamwork makes magic stronger. The end.